Meaning of interrelationship.
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 Interrelationship. The term interrelationship refers to the mutually beneficial relationship between two or more things or entities. It describes how they are connected and how their actions or developments influence one another. Interrelationship can apply to many areas of life, such as personal relationships, business partnerships, ecological systems, and more. Understanding interrelationships can help people make informed decisions and take appropriate actions based on the complex connections that exist between different factors.